Today, we're going to show how the AI integration can improve Aldi's inventory management. Inventory management challenges Aldi in a couple of different ways. First is Aldi's staffing. Aldi's operational model relies on a limited staff structure. This means that employees have to be well trained in all areas, which is difficult for an employee to manage the workload and time consuming to train an employee. This ultimately leads to challenges in maintaining accurate inventory records and timely recalls. A second challenge is Aldi's use of trying to expand into the middle class neighborhoods. This requires the need to increase stock to items more appealing to these customers. But due to the lack of inventory management, there's a decrease in customer satisfaction as they're not finding the products that they want. These two challenges impact Aldi's mission. Aldi's mission is to save people money on the food and products that they want most. By addressing inventory management, it guarantees that products and food items wanted by these customers are available and of the highest quality.
So now as we look at all these future with AI integration, we see that there will be a decrease in human errors in inventory management. AI will help reduce the spoilage in products, eliminating customer dissatisfaction, and it will predict when products are in high demand, ensuring that customers always have the products that they want. Through AI, it will help stores maintain inventory and make them aware of the products that are needed. Employees will become experts in different areas, and there will be a decrease in human error. The workload of an employee will decrease, allowing for employees to be precise and attentive to detail, ensuring customer satisfaction. Now, the specific solution we plan to use is the implementation of an internally developed machine learning algorithm controlling inventory management. The value that this brings to Aldi is that AI systems can minimize costs while maximizing inventory with very little dependence on our employees. This increases one of Aldi's core values of consistency due to less human errors. And as we know, consistency leads to reliability. This goes along with the other core values of simplicity and responsibility. Simplicity enhances efficiency and responsibility to the community by having enough inventory to provide for them. This allows Aldi to provide the highest quality products at the lowest possible cost.
This AI technology would essentially be a database algorithm that collects information at checkout, such as which items are most popular, least popular, the overall purchase occurrences, and popular aisle locations. For example, if a product receives lots of traffic at the front of the store and then also receives lots of purchases, then that information would help Aldi know that aisle location is an ideal selling area. Inventory costs will decrease due to a better management of products, and AI will be able to analyze what products are getting purchased at the highest rate and largest quantity, as well as concluding what products are not selling. This information can then be used by Aldi to better manage their inventory, replacing low-selling items with new products, aiming for a better cost-efficient inventory. This technology can also be used to predict which products will be most popular at various times of the year, thus allowing for our future projections to occur, which can be found on slides 9 and 10. Being able to categorize the frequency of items sold with limited errors allows for a better prediction of popular products and reduces waste overall. Having a better understanding of purchasing patterns and the ability to improve forecasting will help minimize waste and optimize popular products, thus aligning with Aldi's mission of providing quality and low-cost products wanted by their customers.
Hi everyone, my name is Shira Chaudhry, and next we'll be going through a timeline of how we plan to implement this form of AI into Aldi's inventory management. So we will begin this process in January 2025, and then based on looking at research from other companies who implemented similar systems, we predict this will take over, the whole process will take overall 1 year. We'll start with data preparation and the actual first rough draft creation of the machine learning software into Aldi database. We predict the majority of this time will be focused on data preparation as this is critical to our system. Next, we will be test running the system for errors in April and May. And in June, we will be comparing the errors we see from this system and compare it to the current human errors that we see in all these inventory management. By the end of these first three steps, we predict that the system will be strong and reliable enough to start implementing it towards Aldi's company. So in July and August, we plan to enter all the inventory for AI into the system so it can start recognizing it. And in September, it will start tracking the popularity and shelf life of inventory. In October, we plan to implement this system into actual stores, and in November and December, we predict some success and implementing it to all stores, all Aldi stores. So overall, this is just like what we expect the implementation timeline to look like. Next, we performed a cost-benefit analysis to see if this change would ultimately be beneficial for Aldi and a good choice. Starting at the cost, we predicted that the development of the AI system could cost around $3,000 and implementation around $2,000, and we predict we would need a few trained employees that are trained on the system and know how it works in case there are any errors that arise. So they would need to be paid at $9.25 per hour, and then ongoing maintenance would likely be $1,000 annually. And then for the benefit, we would have less wage expenses for the 5 employees that currently work on inventory management. So that would reduce costs there. And then we predict that we would minimize food waste and inventory levels by 35%. And then with the more accurate data analysis, we can increase profit. So we predict we'll have 20% cost savings and reduce stock outputs by 50%. And overall, this cost benefit analysis, we believe that the benefits outweigh the costs and that this would be an effective and smart choice for Aldi business.
There are multiple benefits and challenges when it comes to the specific AI integration of inventory management. Below is shown based off of a study of implementing inventory management of what the potential customer increase could be for the next 3 years. We do recognize that there could be challenges to this AI integration. First being the cost. Sometimes AI tends to be expensive. Second is the data quality. It could take time for the data to become perfected based off of it being a new implementation. 3 is security and privacy. As with all AI systems, there are some security and privacy issues. And 4 is a major shift for employees. Ultimately, inventory management can cut long-term costs, minimize food waste, and show popularity of stock. In the final analysis, these 3 aspects increase the profit for Aldi.